I am Pavitra from Grade-VIII Sapphire and I am your host for today's morning assembly. Let's begin this day with a positive attitude and respect to our nation. Let's make sure to be an attentive, respectful and enthusiastic throughout our assembly. Prayer. To begin this, let's close our eyes for a moment of silence and blessing for our day ahead.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे
Pledge. Let's stand with respect and recite pledge, reforming our community to our institution and its value. Now I call upon my friend Vikas.
Comments to pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Let's update with our world around us. Uday, please come forward and share today's news headlines.
Happy morning, everyone. Today news headlines is brought. Happy morning, everyone. Today news headlines is brought to you by Uday from Grade-VIII Sapphire. News: to granted citizenship under CAA in Assam. Women Development and Child Welfare Department of marriage of 21 years old orphan. Thank you.
Thank you, Uday. It's always important to stay informed about the world and our nation. Thought for the day. Now let's hear a thought for the day represented by Vijay.
Happy morning to all. Today's thought is brought to you by TV Job Grades of Thought. A beautiful day begins with a beautiful mindset. Thank you.
Thank you, Vijay, for that insightful thought. Word. Nextly, I call upon my friend Manish to deliver a new word for the day. I hope everyone will use that in your daily life.
Happy morning to all. Today's word is brought to you by Manish from Grade-VIII Sapphire. Today's word, quality. It means how good or bad something is called quality. Friends, please spell after me. QUALITY. Quality. Thank you.
Thank you, Manish, for giving a new word for the day. GK. Let's test your general knowledge with few questions. Raise your voice if you know the answer. Now I call upon Rupesh.
Happy morning to all. My name is Rupesh. I am from Grade Sapphire. Now I am going to ask some GK questions. What is the highest civilian award in India?
Bharat Ratna.
Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Bharat Ratna. Let us appreciate him. Question for grade 7. Who invented volleyball? I repeat it again. Who invented volleyball? No, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is Williams. William G. Morgan. Question for grade 8. Which animal plants more trees than the human? I repeat it again. Which animal plants more trees than the human? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is squirrel. Let us appreciate them. Question for junior 10th. What is the national game of USA? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is baseball. Let us appreciate them. Thank you.
Speech. Nextly, I invite my friend Shivasai to deliver a speech on volleyball.
Good morning everyone, I am A. Shivasai from Grade-VIII Sapphire. Today I am going to say a speech on volleyball. Volleyball is a team sport. It was discovered by William G. Morgan. It has two teams, six players. Two teams of 6 players, and volleyball can be played outdoors and indoors. Volleyball can be played with the help of ball and net. The players are separated by a net. The play begins when a player serves. Each team tries to score points by grounding the ball on other team court. The players